If you want to connect your Framer website to MailChimp and start collecting email signups, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a simple setup, but there are a few details that matter, and I'll make sure you get them right the first time. By the end, you'll have a working MailChimp sign-up form inside Framer, ready to capture subscribers for your newsletter, launch, or marketing campaign. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more Framer and no-code tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and sign into your MailChimp account. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click Forms. From there, select Other Forms. This is where MailChimp keeps the options for embedded forms and other sign-up form types. If you already have an embedded form created, you can select that existing form and continue. If you don't have one yet, click Create New Form in the top right corner. MailChimp will ask you to name the form, so give it a clear name that helps you recognize it later, then click Continue. Choosing a simple name like Framer Sign-Up Form or Website Newsletter Form can make things easier if you ever need to manage it again. Now that your form is created, open the form editor and click Continue. MailChimp will generate the embed code for that form. What you need from this code is the form action URL. Look for the action attribute inside the form code. It will usually look like a long URL inside quotation marks after action equals. Copy only that URL. Make sure you include the full link and do not copy the quotation marks, extra spaces, or any other characters around it. This part is very important because Framer needs the exact action URL to send form submissions to the correct MailChimp audience. Once you have copied the form action URL, switch over to Framer. In your Framer project, click the plus insert button. In the search bar, type MailChimp. When the MailChimp component appears, drag and drop it onto your page. Place it wherever you want the sign-up form to show up, such as your home page, landing page, or footer section. After inserting the component, click on it to select it. Then look over to the right-hand Properties panel. Scroll until you find the MailChimp section, and inside it you'll see a URL field. Paste the form action URL that you copied from MailChimp into that field. This is the step that connects your Framer form directly to your MailChimp audience, so subscribers who enter their email will be sent to the right list. Now save your changes in Framer. After that, publish your site or update the live version of your website. Once your site is live, test the form by entering a sample email address. This helps you confirm that everything is working correctly and that new subscribers are being added to your MailChimp audience the way they should be. If the form doesn't submit properly, go back and double-check the URL you copied from MailChimp. Make sure it's complete, accurate, and paste it into the correct field. Even one missing character can cause the connection to fail, so it's always worth verifying before you publish. And that's it. You've now connected MailChimp with Framer and created a working email sign-up form for your website. This is a great way to grow your audience, collect leads, and build your email list without needing any complicated code. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.